Welcome to day 5 of Zen31 Body Scan Guided Meditation. You can do this meditation either seated or in a reclined position. I'm going to lay down for this meditation. So wherever you have landed, just take a moment to close your eyes and let's take a few breaths to settle and observe. And as you observe your natural breath, try not to change it. Just allow it to be as it is. Now gently direct your attention to the top of your head. As you focus on this area, become aware of any sensations you may feel there. It could be warmth, coolness, tingling, or simply the weight of your head. Slowly move your attention down to your forehead, noticing any sensations you feel there. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly as you do this, and let go of any tension in your forehead. Now bring your awareness to your eyes, nose, and cheeks. Notice any sensations in these areas, and if you feel tension, allow it to release as you breathe out. Move your attention down to your mouth and jaw. Many people hold tension in their jaw, so take a moment to relax this area, allowing your teeth to slightly separate and your tongue to rest gently against the roof of your mouth. Continue to scan down to your neck and throat and feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. If you sense any tightness, allow it to loosen with every breath. Move your focus to your shoulders and feel any sensations in your shoulder area. Let go of any tension or tightness you may be holding there. Now bring attention to your arms, from your upper arms down to your elbows, to your forearms, and down to your wrists. Move all the way down to your fingertips. Notice any sensations, and imagine your breath flowing all the way down, relaxing and soothing your entire arm. Shift your awareness to your chest and upper back. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath in this area, allowing any tension to release with every exhalation. Now move your attention to your belly and your low back. Be aware of any sensations in this area. And if you feel tightness, guide your breath in and gently let it go. Move down now to your hips, pelvis, and buttocks. Sense the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Release tension or stiffness in this area. Now bring your focus to your thighs and knees. Notice any sensations or vibrations in your legs. And as you exhale, slowly let that tension dissolve. Your awareness moves down now to your calves, your shins, and your ankles. Sense the relaxation spreading throughout your lower legs. Finally, bring your attention to your feet, all the way to your toes. Feel the vibration in your feet and imagine any remaining tension flowing out through your toes and into the atmosphere. Now take a few moments to be fully present in your entire body. Feel the unity of your body and mind as you breathe deeply and peacefully. When you're ready, slowly begin to reawaken your body. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes. Gently move your head from side to side. And when you feel comfortable, open your eyes. You've completed a body scan meditation. This practice can help you relax, reduce stress, and become more aware of your body and its sensations. Return to this meditation whenever you need to unwind and reconnect with yourself. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6.